Oh no!
Okay, put it up.
Okay, that's 5, total of 5. You said there's no.
So now you're gonna put it inside this.
Oh, swirl it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And pinch. Ensure the drip is not there once you take out.
So the line here, you're gonna break them. Not like that. Then close it.
So after you leave it in, let it sit for a while you open up the rapid test kit. You all can see the rapid test kit. There's indicator C, T, and this will be the part where we'll drip the solution. Open up the white cap.
One, 2, 3.
So we're gonna wait for 15 minutes. Yes.
So once done with the test kit, do ensure to keep everything inside the Ziploc bag.
A few moments later.
So after 15 minutes, you can see the result. If positive, we will have 2 lines, and if negative, it will state 1 line.
Okay, so now the result came out and I'm negative. So yeah, so now just take the bag and dispose them, okay? So I think overall with this test kit, it's actually good for you if you do have any close contact or feel unsafe. At least after you went out, you can go and get this and to be aware if you have COVID or not, right? So yeah.